Oh, okay. So I need some steak spice. So now we're going to make up some steak spice. And I'm going to start off with my mortar and pestle here, because I need to mash up, because I don't like blending this. I just like it beaten up. So I need one teaspoon. Whoops, I have the wrong. Okay, I need 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. And where are they? 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Actually, I'm going to double this recipe. Just like my other one, I doubled it. I'm going to double this one too. So I'm going to want 2 mustard seeds, 2 coriander, or my chili flakes, and you can do a tablespoon. You can do as many of this as you want. This is the red chili flakes. I'm just going to do a little bit, around 2 teaspoons. I have written down 2 tablespoons. I do not know why. I think that may have been a misprint on my behalf. But you can put that many in there if you want. You want it real spicy. Actually, I'll probably just leave it that way. Yes, again, I'm reading off my own recipes. Okay. So when you're dealing with the hot flakes, you do have to be a little bit more careful when you're grinding these up so you're not inhaling them. So I'll be right back in a moment. Alright, so there we go. As you can see, they aren't all ground up. They're just nicely broken up into smaller bits. So I need to put that into here. Ooh, I did some inhaling of that. Uh-oh, I think I used the wrong funnel. I probably did. Oh no. Okay, so there we go. So that's in there.
It's not a lot.
I'm not done yet. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay. So now I need to add the other items. Oh, I feel like I'm going to start sneezing now because of those peppers. So we want 1 tablespoon of paprika. I am using smoked paprika just because that is all I have at the moment. And I'm just using an old, what is this one? Garlic bottle. Okay. A tablespoon of salt. Oh, wait, I'm doubling, aren't I? Woo! Good thing I remembered. Okay, I'm doubling, so I need to do 2 of these. Oi! Okay. Alright, so now I've got that sorted out. So I need a tablespoon, or a teaspoon, sorry, of my dill weed once I find it. There it is. But I really like it, so I'm actually going to add a little bit more to that, like I probably always do. Onion powder and onion flakes, but I'm not adding it because I can't have it right at the moment. Okay, so now we're going on to the rosemary. Now I'm going to write the recipe down below, so don't worry. But, whew, goodness, excuse me. I need 2 tablespoons of thyme, or 2 teaspoons, sorry, of thyme. The stuff that takes forever when I'm nitpicking at it. Dehydrating that is not fun. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. And that is all. Now normally I add garlic and onion to this as well, but again I can't right at the moment. Actually, I don't even think I added it the last time I made it either. I can't remember. Let's give her a shake. Double check to make sure I have everything in there. Oh yeah. Ooh, smoked paprika is really nice. Not too spicy, just enough kick on that. And this makes a really good steak. Sorry. Chili powder, or chili flake, or whatever you want to call it. Okay. So, there you go. Homemade steak spice. So easy. And considering how much, like, salt there is in this comparison to the salt in the, you know, store-bought ones, you can even leave the salt out if you wanted to. But anyway, there we go. My homemade steak spice. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.